Today I'm going to show you how to create a new material type using the tools in Revit. So see here we have a wood floor, but let's say we want to make a vinyl floor. So if we select the available floor types, we see we don't have that as an option. So what we need to do is create one. So what we're going to do is edit type, click duplicate, then we're going to change it to say wood, instead of wood finish, vinyl. Click OK. Now, here we go into structure, click edit, and here it gives us the components of the floor. Now, what we want to do is change the finish. So click here where it says oak flooring, open the menu, and here it gives us a list of available materials. Like here we have vinyl composition tile, and there's also other ones here we can load into the program. Like iron, glass, but we already have one loaded, vinyl composition tile, which we're going to choose. And I hit OK, OK again. And here we have a new floor. And you can edit more than just the surface. You can edit the materials underneath for the joists. Like if we go into edit type again, oops, need to select that first. Click edit type, edit structure. Here it gives us the sheathing, the rafters. We can change and adjust all of them, like their thickness, their materials. This tool is very versatile, so it gives us a lot to work with. And yeah, that's how that tool works.